how to find warn about malicious sites settings on Samsung internet browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find warn about malicious sites settings on Samsung internet browser. First, then open the browser and here you will find these three lines here in the bottom corner. Click on it and then just click settings and scroll down until you find the browsing privacy dashboard. Click on it and then here you will find warn about malicious sites. Just you can turn it off or on just by one click and go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.